Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change button color on Squarespace. So let's start. First things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account. We are in here now, and as you can see, we have two projects that we are working on. So I picked the first one where I want to change the buttons, for example, so go to website, and we will end up in the editor. So let's proceed and click on edit on top corner of your screen, scroll down and pick a button that you want to play around with. Let's say with this learn more button. So I'm gonna click in here. We already decided that it's primary, and also we don't want to duplicate it, but we want to edit it. We're gonna click on edit. We see that we already gave them a link, and then click on design. So it's primary button. You can fit or fill, for example, and then once we click on this primary button option, there is edit button styles, and we're gonna click there. The new pop-up window will show up, and here we can add anything that we really want to. For example, text, shape, outline, also spacing, horizontal and vertical, and then we can apply it to all buttons. If you want every single button in here be the same, you can have it in here. So let's go in text, for example, styles, normal or italic, weight, and also height, and many more. So that's how you can edit it. It's very easy. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.